Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
I think that's why I always have an affinity to my peers, because I know the truth. I know what it takes, and all it takes is for you to believe in yourself. And that sounds so damn cheesy, because we hear that all of our lives, but seriously, life is a fucking fairy tale.
Believe in you, yeah. You gotta believe. You gotta believe in you, yeah. You gotta believe. You gotta believe in you.
Hey guys, it's your girl and I'm back for another video. So today, we will be, in the previous video, I'll probably seen I washed my hair. It's washed, but now I'm about to try out my brand new, yes, it's open. I opened it already because I was thirsty, but my brand new Urwill dryer brush. So, okay, so a little bit backstory. So I had picked up like a hot brush, like, you know, those brushes that can make your hair straight. Thinking it was one of these, like the brush, but it wasn't a hot brush, but it wasn't, and it was a hot brush. So I'm addicted a little bit to Amazon, y'all, and they had this on sale for like $10. So I was like, I gotta get it to try it out. So this is the Urwill one, and we're going to just do it. I don't really do anything else, and just see. So it has a nozzle. It has low, medium, and high. It has like this grip, which I like you can just hold it. And so yeah. So the only two products I'm going to be using is my jojoba oil and my sunflower oil. So yeah, I'm going to be showing you all what I'm using. Sunflower, and yes, if y'all see here background noise, I have family and we trying to get these videos posted. Okay, so yes, I'm just going to use my jojoba oil, and this is it. This has a minty smell. When I was doing my journey of no heat, I figured out what my hair likes, and olive oil, it could not stand coconut oil. I did that a long time ago though. It loves olive oil, it loves jojoba oil, and it loves sunflower oil. I did a lot of research on the different types of oils and what they do, moisturizing versus concealing oils and all of that. It was a process, but I was committed to the process, y'all. I was committed to learning different things. So yeah, like I said, there's nothing else in my hair but some conditioner. And there's conditioner now. There's a jojoba oil. Now I'm gonna put sunflower in, and we're gonna see. We're gonna see how this works, y'all. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe and turn your post notifications so you never miss a video. And yeah. So I'm gonna start off on middle. Yeah, because the low is big enough. The middle not gonna do nothing either, you all. So we're gonna go on high. Do what I like and I don't like about this at the end. I'm gonna do another section, and I'm gonna time how long it took for me to blow dry with this tool. So yeah, that's what this say. I was about to go to the commentary, but we're gonna wait. So let's put this section up, and we're gonna grab your handy dandy my handy dandy phone, my other phone. and we're gonna do a stopwatch. I'm going to make sure that this part is sectioned, and we're going to see how long it takes for me to be full big section. So this is a huge section. This is about the section that I do when I'm normally drawing. So this is, yeah. So we're gonna start. I'm gonna show you guys. And push. Actually, I'm gonna turn this on first. We're gonna give it a area clear start.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right?
So it took me almost 3 minutes to finish one section. That was the only the back section, so it took me 6 minutes in total to finish one side of my head. Whew, okay, so this is what, and it's still kind of damp on the roots a little bit, but I'll get back to that in a minute. So this is what one side of the hair looks like. This is what the curly side of the hair looks like. Maybe y'all can see it. Okay. So before I get into it, I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other section, and I'll come back with the rest of my commentary.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options. Nah, I'm not the problem. Man, that's on you, yeah. You've been terrorizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong. I knew you lost your mind when you dropped that bomb. Girl, are you crazy? Yeah, you must be crazy. I've been thinking lately it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me, but baby, it's you.
Alright, y'all. So my hair is not completely dry. I ain't even gonna sit there and lie to you, but I was tired of looking at myself in this camera. So I'm just gonna give y'all the rest of my commentary, and then I'm gonna finish blow drying my hair. So like I said, it's been like 20 minutes, and you can kind of still tell that my curls is still there. Like my front half is it's damp, but like my back side is not dry completely. So the pros is I like that the brushes is here. My brushes are here. I'm about to go back and grab my regular blow dryer because this ain't it. I'm not, I could have been done. My regular, I like that it has the brushes so that I could detangle easy. And so, when you black, you got the blow dryer here and then you comb it. So I like that. It does not have, so I like that. I like that it has this grip. I like that it has 3 settings. Low, middle, high, or medium, or whatever. I just bought this brush, and y'all can kind of tell that it's like, not used to be thick hair. So I guess this is like a, for other cultured hair, because baby, this ain't for me. So the cons, it takes entirely too long. These brushes are already starting to bend. These bristles is already starting to bend. It does not have an even distribution of heat. So you literally just sitting there brushing your hair and it's not drying really, like, and it takes entirely too long, girl. Like, I could have been done with my regular blow dryer, turned that on and be done. Instead, I am having to go back up to my regular or continue to. So, you know. So this is decent if you don't have like thick hair like me and you're not like your hair is not soaking wet. Like maybe if it was like damp like this, you can go in and like re-dry it, detangle it, use it with your regular dryer. Woo. Y'all, this ain't it. I ain't gonna lie to you, this is not it. I mean, this is cute, but it's not it. Cause look, my roots is still kind of, you know, and it takes entirely too long, y'all. Like, this is a damn near 30-minute video, 25-minute video. For what? I gotta edit it. But if you enjoyed this review, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and turn your post notifications, and share with a friend. And I'll talk to you guys later. Deuces. Hey guys, I am coming on here to show you guys what my hair looked like afterwards. So this picture you're looking at is what my hair looked like after about 30 minutes of blow drying my hair. So yeah, it has its pros and its cons. It actually did blow dry my hair pretty straight, but it also took almost 30 minutes to about an hour. So if you have that type of time, I really do recommend this. But if you don't have that type of time, then just do your regular schmegular degular blow dryer. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and turn your post notifications so you never miss a video. Deuces.
As I've told you time and time again, you have the ability to accomplish anything that you desire.
You're special, sweetie. And God wants to do great things through you. What you believe becomes what they see. See your reflection in the mirror, may it always be a pretty girl.